Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll take a look at the Gridbox Media Manager and learn how to manage files and folders on your website. The Gridbox Media Manager can be opened either from the admin panel or directly from the editor while working on your content. The Media Manager provides a centralized location for storing and organizing all media assets used across your website, including images, videos, documents, and other files. On the left side, you'll find the folder structure, which allows you to organize files into directories and quickly navigate between them. The Toolbar provides a search field for quickly finding files by name. It also includes options to upload media, create new folders, and perform bulk actions, such as moving or deleting selected files. Most operations in the Media Manager are performed through the context menu, making file management fast and convenient. To create a new folder, use the New Folder option from the Toolbar or the context menu. Enter the folder name and click Save to confirm. To upload files, use the Upload option from the Toolbar or the context menu. The selected files will be added to the current directory. To rename a file or folder, right-click the desired item and choose Rename from the context menu. To move files or folders, right-click the item, select Move To from the context menu, and choose the target location. Files and folders can be deleted when they are no longer needed. To delete an item, right-click it and select Delete from the context menu. You can also perform Move To and Delete actions on multiple files. Simply select the desired files and use Bulk Move or Bulk Delete from the Toolbar. The Media Manager settings can be found in Site Settings under the General tab and then the Media Manager sub-tab. Here, you can configure several options that control how media files are handled in your website. The Path to Images folder option allows you to define the root directory for all media files stored in the Media Manager. With Allowed File Types, you can specify which file formats are permitted for upload to the Media Manager. The Compress Images on Upload option enables automatic compression of uploaded images. When enabled, you can also configure additional parameters, including maximum image size in pixels, image quality, and the option to convert images to WebP format. These settings help you optimize media storage, improve performance, and maintain consistency across your website. Gridbox Media Manager helps keep your media library organized and makes content management faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.